and today we're going to talk about the present perfect tense. It's used to be the most difficult tense ever. So, before we start, please subscribe my channel and let's go! So, how to make these sentences? We need to put a person to the first place, then have or has, and the verb in the third form. The third form of the verb is a verb with the ending of ed, or we have to look to the third column of irregular verbs. So, when do we use it? It is at first, if we want to say that the action has just finished.
Ну шатай. Ты меня не любишь! Мне еще ужин готовить.
Nikolai has changed his mind to kill himself with a knife. Also, we can use the present perfect tense when we say that our action finished in the past, but the result is very important for us now. Nikolai has gone crazy. So that is why the doctors are taking him to a psychiatric hospital. The third one, we use the present perfect tense when we say that the action started in the past but is still in progress. Timon has rubbed his gun for 2 hours. And the fourth one case when we talk about the experience of an alive person. Team has cleared 16 explosive devices. If we change this construction to the past simple tense, it means the experience of a dead person. And the last one case when we talk about the present perfect tense is when our action finished but the period of time is not. Tim has eaten a kebab at the station today.
Чё там скоро, Я тебе говорил, не жрать эту шаурму.
Федя!
Чего?
Перезаряди, а!
Возьми пушку пока.
Ага! Все, сейчас поедем, Федя!
So how to make the negative sentences? We need to put a person to the first place, then have or has, not, and the verb in the third form. Sometimes have not and has not we can combine to haven't or hasn't. And how to make the questions in this tense? It is have, has, then a person and the verb in the third form. And that's all for now. Thumbs up, please subscribe my channel. А если тебе было что-то непонятно, есть такое же видео на русском языке.